Hi, I'm Kayla Coates. I'm a workers' compensation attorney here at Inc. Law. I've been here since November 2023. I knew I didn't want to stay in Mississippi, so I just kind of did it on a whim. And here I am. I'm really glad because Chicago is fantastic. I am originally from Memphis, Tennessee, born and raised at a suburb right outside Collierville. I've always been interested in the law in general. Grew up watching, of course, several crime TV shows with my family, reading John Grisham books. I did start out in college with a different major. Soon realized I did want to pursue something in the legal field. Studied criminal justice at University of Tennessee at Chattanooga. I then went to law school at the Mississippi College School of Law, and that's in Jackson, Mississippi. Then at the time, my younger sister, Mallory, she lived here with her boyfriend. She is kind of a globetrotter. She has moved several places in America. She was in DC, here, more recently Dubai, now New York City. So at the time she was here and I really wanted to make a change. Legally, I think you can get a lot more work up here, a lot more experience, just because it is a bigger city. There's a lot more population, unfortunately, a lot more injuries. And we're here to help. So I was interviewed by Ian, both Ian and Howard. Definitely their personalities. They both have very strong personalities, very confident personalities. They made a lot of emphasis on how this is a great place to learn. I could tell right away that they were both interested in teaching, that is definitely true, as well as with the other senior attorneys here. Everyone here is very willing to help each other. I ask a million questions still to this day. I'm a year and a half in. I ask just as many questions as I did the first day, hopefully with more knowledge. But everyone's very nice. Everyone's very welcoming. I've never experienced anything different, and that's why I like Inc. Law. In workers' compensation, we do have a lot of cases, as opposed to maybe some other field of law where maybe you don't have as much client communication. I definitely enjoy it.
This is Kayla. I'm calling you regarding your work comp. Yeah, good, doing good.
I like talking to people. I like helping them. And I think I have a good way of speaking with them and trying to make them feel, at ease.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate you. Bye.
Satlal and I work really well together as a team. We always pick up each other's slack. Also, of course, is a great support system and just helps me throughout the day with really any and all tasks that need to be done for all of our clients.
How are you doing? Fine. Good.
There's a lot of stressful days as an attorney. And so when you have a client that expresses gratitude, there's been a few, especially, picking up their settlement checks and being able to give them a hug or, really see how much impact you have on someone is really special. Kind of makes it feel real. Like, your job is actually making a difference.